My name is Jose Cruz, and my student number is 191A2000. I want to talk to you about my opinions on education. I want to talk about education. I'm a teacher, so I have a particular way of looking at this sort of thing. But for you as students, I want you to ask yourself, is your education helping you? And when you say it's helping you or it's not helping you, how do you know if it's helping you or not? I think if something is helping you, it's making you happier. You eat good food, it makes you happy. It gives you nutrition, makes you healthy. You make a good friend, that person helps you, they listen to you, they make you happy. Things that you do, the people that you meet, all of these things should be towards making your life better, making you a happier person. Is your education really doing that for you? Or is your education something that you have been told you have to pursue so that you can become one more worker in a Japanese company who works for somebody else for their whole life just so that you can buy a house, you can buy your car, you can have your family, and then that's it? Are those things really the center of your happiness? And education itself, was it a happy thing? Did you enjoy your education? Or mostly was it something that you had to tolerate because you had to get through your tests? You had to get through junior high school. I think we need to come up with a better way of thinking about what education should be. Better ways that don't involve so many tests that you didn't really want to take, that you only studied for because your school gave them to you or because you wanted to get into that university, and studying things that you don't feel close to, which is strange because a lot of the things that we do study, mathematics, history, science, art, we should feel very close to them. Those are very important topics. But the way that education, the way our textbooks, the way our schools teach them, make us feel so far away from them. History, for example, especially Japanese students, they study all these names, they study all of these places and dates, but it's very hard sometimes for most people to understand why you know all of those names and dates. And that's something that's kind of sad because history is important for everybody. Understanding all of those things, everybody should know. Here's another one for you. Your education has you learning about all kinds of things for science and for history and for English. But do you know anything about how to buy a car? Have you been told anything about how to apply for a house loan or to be careful, what to be careful about when you get a credit card? No? Why not? Those are some of the most important things that you're going to be doing in your life. Buying a house, buying a car, taking care of your money. All of those things are important, but your education never taught it to you. I think there are other things that we can do to make education better. And I think we have to start thinking about how it is that we can improve education. Because as it is right now, I don't think education is really helping us that much. And think about that for yourself.